Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more program on how to implementing programs using strings. The first case is we will go for a reverse string. So to do that, here, to reverse a string without using the string handling functions. So how to go about of doing it? So to do that, first what we will do, we will define a function. That is what I wanted to do. I want to do a reverse of a string. So I will give the name as reverse string. So once you do that, then I will create an empty string. Why? Because once I enter a string, that string has to be get reversed. So to do that, suppose if I say Python, I want to reverse that Python, that is P is first here, there when you reverse it, N should come first. So if I want to do like that, then I should write one more time that the reverse string. So to do that, before writing that, first I should create an empty string. That means it should be empty. Once it is get reversed, then that character has to be entered in the reverse string. That is what we wanted to do. So that is the reason why we are using the reverse string with an empty string. Then for I in string, so the reverse string equals I plus reverse string. We will going to explain this when we take up the explanation for how to write the program. So print the reverse string is, of course, whatever the reverse string you want to call it as a variable, that variable is called here to print only the reverse string. So what I need to write, the body of the program, that is the first, the main program is, I will going to use a string as a variable, and that is equal to input. See, in Python, always the input will be in a form of a string. So since I want to enter a string, I will just give input. So the input, enter a string. Then I want to print what? The enter string. So first I want to input a string. I want to print what is that string is. For that, print enter string is, I am calling the variable here. What is the variable? The value of the string has been stored in this variable string. I am calling that here to print whatever you have entered in the beginning. This input, whatever the string what we are giving is before the reversing the string. Then I am calling the function a reverse string. Once you call this function, what happens? The cursor will jumps to this here. So it will create a one more variable with an empty string. So I will say the reverse string. Then, and it will start taking the character by character in a string. Suppose if I say on, how many strings are there? How many characters are there? You have here two characters. For I in string, that means O is there in a string? Yes. The reverse string, what is that? This reverse string is this equals I plus, what is that I? First one is O, that is what we have entered, O plus the reverse string. Reverse string is empty string. Here O is also a string. O is also a string, and reverse string is also an empty string. So naturally what happens? O plus empty string will going to become O. Then again it goes back and takes the next character, which is N. So N is in the string? Yes. The reverse string will be N plus O, because the previous value of reverse string is O. So N plus O, it becomes NO. Then again it goes back. For I in the string, you don't have any other character, therefore it comes out. The reverse string is what? print that reverse string. What is that reverse string here? The reverse string is what the value you have been stored here, that will be entered here. So what is that? NO is the reverse string what we have entered, what we have got after reversing the string. Before the reversing the string, it is on. After that, it becomes NO. So that is how we can be able to reverse a string. Once it executes this line, immediately the cursor will going to come back to this point. And this is how you will be able to write the program. You can give the explanation. So for example, if I enter a string Manjunatha, this is the string what we are entering here, entering the string, which is the input. After that, print entered string. That entered string is Manjunatha. Then the reverse string is, so A will come here, H, T, A, N, U, J, N, A, yeah. So this is how we will go to get it. Now we will see how it has been considered. So first is I am defining the function for reverse string. Reverse string is an empty string. For I in string, the reverse string will be equal to plus I plus reverse string. Print reverse string is the reverse string. So this is the actual body of the program for the subprogram, that is also called the function. So first, once you run this program, first it will go, the cursor will come to here, immediately it will jumps to this string input enter string. So once it executes this a line or a statement, so whatever it is there in the codes will be printed here. Enter a string, I will enter Manjunatha. Then comes to the second line, that is print enter string. What is the enter string? Enter string is Manjunatha. So this Manjunatha has been assigned to this string. So what will going to be the output after this enter string is Manjunatha. So then it comes to the reverse string. That means we are calling the function. Which is the function I am calling? The function what I have named here, the reverse string. Once it executes this line, cursor goes to the defined function. So the cursor will come here. Then the reverse string is an empty string. The first line it will go to be executed. What is this name of this variable? The string is Manjunatha. Here I iteration have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means you are going to have 10 characters. So initially the reverse string will going to have an empty string. Then for I in string, so first it will take the value of I as 0. That is M. Once it takes the value, once it takes the M, that is the string. So reverse string will be equal to I plus reverse string. I is what? I is M plus reverse string is what? The reverse string what you have to will be taken from here. So that is the empty string. So M plus empty string. This is also a string and this is also a string. Therefore, I can concatenate that string. So the reverse string will be equal to M. So you will get the reverse string in the first iteration is M. Then for I in string, so again it goes to the next character which is A. So again it will execute this. Reverse string will be equal to I plus reverse string. So what is I? I is equal to A plus, what is the reverse string? It is not an empty string now, because in the previous case once we did that, M plus empty string, the reverse string is M. So it will take that value of M, so it becomes AM. So the new value of the reverse string is AM. Again it goes back. Why it is go back? Because we are in the for loop. So again I in string. So what is the next character? It will be N. So I is equal to N. So what is the reverse string? I plus reverse string. What is the I? I is N. What is the reverse string? The previous value of reverse string is AM. So plus AM. So this is also a string and this is also a string. And since you have a plus sign, it becomes string concatenation. So the reverse string will be NAM. So this is NAM, reverse string. Next, it will goes to J. For I in string, yes, the reverse string will be equal to I plus reverse string. What is the value of I now? I value is J plus reverse string is the previous value of reverse string, that is NAM, that is this one. So add these two strings together. So the reverse string will be JNAM. So this will going to be the reverse string after executing this. Then again it goes back and it will take the value of U. So reverse string will be equal to I plus reverse string. I is what? U. Plus what is the reverse string? The previous value of reverse string is JNAM. So once it adds, so the reverse string will be equal to UJNAM. Then it will go to the next I, J, U, N. I is equal to N. What is the reverse string? N plus UJNAM. So once it adds, you are going to get NUJNAM. Then that reverse string what you will go to get is the reverse string here. Then again I is incremented. I in this string, what is that? A. So reverse string will be equal to A plus NUJNAM. NUJNAM. So what is the reverse string? ANUJNAM. So you will go to get this is the reverse string. Then it will take I in string, that is T. Then reverse string will be equal to previous I value is T plus reverse string. What is the previous value of reverse string? ANUJNAM. So you can see ANUJNAM. So the reverse string will be adding these two, TANUJNAM. So the reverse string will be TANUJNAM. Then again for I in string it will take I is equal to H. Then the reverse string will be equal to I plus reverse string. So that is equal to H plus TANUJNAM. So the reverse string will be equal to HTANUJNAM, adding the strings together. So the reverse string will be equal to HTANUJNAM. Then again I in the string it will take A. Reverse string will be equal to I is what? A plus reverse string, it will take this value now. So reverse string will be equal to AHTANUJNAM. This is the reverse string. Then again so this is how it will going to continue with this program. Once it executes this, after getting this entire reverse string, so then it will going to print the string as the reverse string, and the reverse string will be, so the enter string is string and the reverse string will be AHTANUJNAM. So this is how you will be able to execute the program on the reverse string will be Manjunatha is the actual string what we have entered. Therefore, the reverse string will be AHTANUJNAM. You can see Manjunatha when you want to reverse in the reverse direction. If you read, you are going to get the Manjunatha here. What is the final this thing? You are going to have the total number of slots or the number of characters is 10, and you can see here also you will get 10, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how you will be able to write a program on how to reverse the string without considering the function. Now we will try to execute this by writing the same program using the code. So first I will say define reverse string. Then once you do that, for that first we are going to create an empty string. Reverse string will be equal to empty. Okay. Then for I in string, colon, reverse string will be equal to I plus reverse string, I plus reverse string. Okay, then I need to print this. Then I will need to print. Then I will say reverse string. I am calling that variable here to print whatever it is there in the reverse string. Then I will come out of the function. Then I will say string equals input, enter a string. Okay, then I will say print the entered string. The entered string, I will say string. Okay, one should do that. Then I am calling the function. The function call will be reverse string. The function call will be reverse string. Now we will try to execute this program. So to do that, I will just go to the run program. Then you can see enter a string. I will say Manjunatha. So what will going to be the result? The result will going to be ATHAHTANUJNAM. So when you come to this, you will come to know that here you will say AHTANUJNAM. So this is what you will going to get it from here also. AHTANUJNAM. Now how this will going to be executed by using this step by step. Let us see now. So I will go to this debug Python file. Then I will come to this. So now immediately the cursor is jumped from here to here because this body of the program is kept because it is a function. So I am just executing this line string, enter a string. I will say Manjunatha. Okay, enter. The enter string will be Manjunatha. You will going to get this reverse string. Now you are calling the function. So once you call the function, it will goes to this. Then you can see the string is Manjunatha, what we have assigned, and here also it will be considered as Manjunatha now. So what is the reverse string? It is an empty string. You can see you have a reverse string which is empty. Next, I in string. What is the value of I? First it will take m. You can see I will be m. Then the reverse string I is m. Here the string is reverse, that is empty string initially. So what will be the reverse string? The reverse string will going to be m. You can see here m. Then after that, then go to the reverse string again. So here I will be a. Here reverse string will be what? M, because previous is reverse string is m. So you will going to get am now. Then again I is n. Then n plus am, nam. Then I becomes man j. J reverse string will be jnam. You can see here what is updating here. Then again go to u. Then reverse string will be ujnam. Then it will take n reverse string. Sorry, I n. Then the reverse string will be nujnam. So you get nujnam. nujnam. Na. Next will be a. I will be a. Again the reverse string will be anujnam. Again it will go for the next string t. Tanujnam. Then th. Then that will be added to the reverse string h. Then a. Then again reverse string will be this aht ANUJ NAM. Then, so totally the entire string has been completed. Now it will try to execute that. There is no string, so the reverse string will going to be Manjunatha. So once it prints that, it will comes out of the function. So then when you execute this line, it will complete the program. So this is how I will be able to reverse a string without considering the string handling function. This is the way I will be able to write a program and able to explain how the string can be reversed without using the string handling function. Thank you.